So, if you guys couldn't tell, I'm gonna be going as Arianna.
I've been thinking about you. Yeah, I've been missing you. What the hell?
I did a tutorial video last year on just like her Dangerous Woman tour makeup kind of style. So yeah, I guess this is a part 2. I'm gonna do you guys a little haul of what I've got. What I'm gonna be wearing. I'm gonna go with the basic knee-high boots, jumper, ponytail, clip, lollipop style. I got an oversized grey jumper from H&M for £9. And then underneath, I'm gonna wear a crop top with a pair of shorts. And then I've got my knee-high boots that I got from Forever 21. I'll show you guys the whole outfit later on. And then, being the crazy person I am, last minute I got some hair extensions. Hopefully this is the right shade of color. I don't know if it is, but yeah. So now I'm just gonna straighten my hair. I'll probably do a time lapse of me straightening my hair while watching my TV series. As for makeup look, I'm just gonna go with the basic pinky shimmery kind and then strong liquid liner.
I wish you would hurry up and come back. I don't have you here with me, but at least I have a memory. I tried to make it through the night, but I can't control my mind. I have to be so cute. It's impossible to ignore you. When must you make me love so much?
So I'm gonna put a bit of music on. I'm gonna put my playlist on. This is my Spotify playlist. My name is Ariana Gov, I think. Not sure. I'm gonna do concealer.
And you're stuck in the middle between hot and cold. 'Cause there's enough love here for the both of us. Make up for every mistake. You take one jump, I'll take you higher.
So I'm gonna do eyeshadow now. I don't want to do something too strong because I know she doesn't like have super bright colors. I'm gonna use my Naked 3 Urban Decay palette and my Soft Glam Anastasia palette.
I just keep them satisfied. I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more.
I'm getting a brush on my cheek. So my camera died because of the heat of the lamp. I just did my eyebrows. I did the liquid liner. Boom. I'm gonna put fake eyelashes on, but before I do that, I'm gonna do the hair. My hair is really long already. To do a really high ponytail thing, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because damn, her ponytails are real high. So one of his mates to come or something, I don't know, but he's coming soon. I've sort of done my hair, I just need to clip it back. Actually crazy.
Did you tell him that we're going to cafe?
Yeah. Oh my god, Sophia, I am just such a fan right now. Oh. god, there's just so much hair. Okay, so this is the sort of final hair look. These are the extensions, by the way. My hair ends, actually my hair's quite long compared to the extension. I mean, you can kind of tell, but it's fine. We'll just keep it a bit messy. I think I might have to retouch it just before we leave. I'm really bad at eyelashes, so let's just pray that this will go well. I put it too close to my inner corner. I feel like it just hurts. Okay, so I got both eyelashes on. And I put the heels on as well. This is the final look, I guess. So literally, I'm just wearing a jumper, some knee-high boots, and extensions. That is the video, my fellas. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Hope it was as good as last year's one. I don't know how last year turned out. I mean, last year was nice, but I didn't have like hair extensions and all that lot. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye, loves.